Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the font size in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings. From here, you'll see several options related to your Signal account configuration. Look for the option labeled Appearance and tap on it. This is where Signal stores all the visual customization features that control how your app looks and feels, including themes, chat colors, and importantly, text size adjustments. Next, you'll want to tap on Message Font Size. This specific setting gives you control over how large or small the text appears in your conversations, which can significantly improve readability depending on your preference or visual needs. Whether you're someone who prefers larger text for easier reading or smaller text to fit more messages on screen at once, this feature allows you to tailor the experience to what works best for you. Once you tap on Message Font Size, you'll be presented with several choices. Signal offers 4 different size options: small, normal, large, and extra large. Each option adjusts the text size throughout all your message threads, so you can choose what feels most comfortable for your eyes. Take a moment to consider which size suits your reading habits best, then tap your preferred size to apply it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size in your Signal app, making your messaging experience more comfortable and personalized to your needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.